Seeking knowledge about how to make money online? You need to watch this video. Have you ever wondered how people can make money online? Being able to make money by sitting at your computer at home seems too good to be true. However, it is very possible, and there are wonderful opportunities out there. Watch this video to learn more about options that are available to you. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. Thoroughly review any online site before you give them any type of commitment or information. While there are numerous opportunities to make money from behind a monitor, unfortunately there are quite a few scammers out there. Know who owns a site, make sure the site is secure and see what others have to say about it first. Make a schedule. If you want to make a good income online, you must pursue it relentlessly. There isn't a way to make lots of money. You have to stay diligent on it every day. Try to work at the same time every day. Just an hour daily will add up with the passage of time. Do freelance writing in your spare time to earn a decent amount of cash. There are websites that you can sign up for where you can choose from a wide variety of topics to write on. Typically, the higher paying sites will request that you take a test to determine your writing ability. Making money online is not that complicated. More and more people are getting into it because it liberates them from a 9-to-5 job. This video offers a few suggestions that you can consider, but more is out there. Continue to learn about opportunities as you can find the perfect business to get into. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1,000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.